My name is Sinaida Rosaldes Ala from class 1978. So I am the Miss Alumni Queen of 2012 to 2015. Today I will be handing over the crown to the 2015 Alumni Queen. So to all contestants of all batches, muses, I wish you all good luck. I wish the next queen, Alumni Queen, good luck. Thank you.
Of class 1970, escorted by your husband, Mr. Johnny Allen.
Let's give a round of applause to our newly crowned Alumni Muse 2015. And to officially proclaim our Alumni Muse 2015 to her throne, may we request the President of the CNCHS Alumni Association, Mr. Janicio Costa Jr.